Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 6 and the name of our unit is Our Country, Pakistan. Very good. And today we will do a project and I will deliver lecture number 4. So आज के लेक्चर में हम एक बड़ा मज़ेदार सा प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे जो कि हमारे मुल्क के बारे में होगा, हमारे कंट्री के बारे में होगा. So before that, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So listen to the question very carefully and then answer. Why every country has a flag? Because a flag is the identity of a country. एक कंट्री की पहचान होती है, उसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है, इसीलिए हर कंट्री के पास उसका एक झंडा होता है. Okay, my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to draw the flag of Pakistan. आप पाकिस्तान का flag जो है वो दोबारा draw करेंगे. इसके अलावा हम different जो चीज़ें हैं अपने country के बारे में वो भी discuss करेंगे. Okay, my dear students, some pre-reading questions. Quickly tell me, do you know the importance of a flag for a country? Yes, we already know that because a country is the identity. ये represent करता है दुनिया भर में. आपके flag जहाँ भी आप दिखाते हैं तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि ये किस कंट्री की बात हो रही है. So the importance of a flag is because it is the identity. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the project given on page number 48. So let's quickly see the instructions first. So take 2 chart papers, green and white. So here I have it. हम 2 chart paper लेंगे जैसे कि हमने पहले भी flag बनाया था, green and white. And then what we'll do is make the flag of Pakistan with these chart papers. आपको इससे पाकिस्तान का flag जो है वो complete करना है. Then search out the national identities of Pakistan like fruit, bird, flower, dress, animal and paste the pictures around the flag. ठीक है. इसके बाद आपको सर्च आउट करना है कि पाकिस्तान की आइडेंटिटीज़ क्या है, यानी कि उनका नेशनल फ्रूट, नेशनल फ्लावर, नेशनल एनिमल, बर्ड एंड द ड्रेस. और उसके बाद वो पिक्चर्स आपको कलेक्ट करके एक चार्ट पेपर पे पेस्ट करनी है, फ्लैग के इर्द गिर्द लगानी है. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्टिविटी. आप सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? यू विल मेक द फ्लैग ऑफ पाकिस्तान विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ ग्रीन चार्ट पेपर एंड वाइट चार्ट पेपर. एंड दिस इज हाउ you will paste the symbols, and then around it you will paste the identities. So the national bird of Pakistan is chakor. क्या है? चकोर है. Then the national animal of Pakistan is markhor. Markhor, it is a goat, big goat with big horns, और ये mountains में रहता है. And the national fruit of Pakistan is mango, aam. National flower of Pakistan is jasmine. And the national dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. So my dear students, this is how you will make your project. मैंने आपको पूरा तरीका सिखा दिया है. So here I have also made the chart paper for your ease. तो आप इसी तरीके से सेंटर में आप जो है अपना फ्लैग पेस्ट करेंगे. मैंने फ्लैग पेस्ट कर दिया. And around it you will paste all the identities of Pakistan. Let's quickly complete the flag also. So I will paste the crescent and then I will paste the star. So the flag is complete. Now here are the identities. Chakor, national bird. Markhor, national animal. National fruit is mango. National flower is jasmine. And the national dress is shalwar kameez. So my dear students, quickly pause the video and with the help of your teacher and your class fellows, quickly complete the project. I hope you have finished it. Now let's quickly move forward towards the practice. For practice, you will do analysis and interpretation. Question number C on page number 48. Quickly open it. I hope everybody has opened the page. So my dear students, here are some statements given. और हर statements के साथ कुछ options दी गई हैं. आपको correct option को circle करना है. So the first option statement is the color of our flag is green or white or red or white. It is green and white. Pakistan came into being on 12th August 1947 or 14th August 1947. So it is 14th August 1947. Identify the flag of Turkey. Number A, this is the flag of China. So this is the flag of Turkey. B option is correct. Number 4, we represent light and knowledge in our flag through star or crescent? Through star. Very good. So this is how you will complete your page in book. Quickly finish it. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's quickly move forward towards the evaluation. So आज हमने एक flag draw किया. So quickly tell me, name some national identities of Pakistan. Chakor, national bird. Marhor, national animal. National flower is jasmine. Shalwar kameez is national dress. So these are different identities of Pakistan. Okay? Okay, my dear students, for homework, what you will do is discuss with your parents about the importance of flag for a country. एक मुल्क के लिए उसके झंडे की क्या अहमियत होती है, ये आपको अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कस करना है. नाउ यू नो दैट, आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया है. मैंने आपको पिक्चर्स दिखाई हैं, मैंने आपको बताया है कि जहां भी आपको किसी भी कंट्री का फ्लैग नजर आता है, लाइक चाइना, टर्की, सो यू कैन just recognize that country by their flags. So the flags are identities. So आपको यही चीज अपने parents के साथ discuss करनी है. So this is your homework, and today we have learned that every country has a flag, and a flag is the identity of a country. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's project, and keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.